but this morning is very good for EV curious onlookers as Tesla has launched its second center in Worldmark Aerocity Delhi. First center was in Mumbai. So right now in India we do have two models that is Model Y. One is standard range model that has 500 kilometer range, and second is we do have this long range model that has range of 622 kilometers. So long range to have price of 67.89 kilometer and standard range to have price of 57.89 kilometers. So if we talk about the delivery, the standard range they are delivering in the end of the September, and you can book the Tesla car from Tesla's website, that is tesla.com. And the long range they are planning to deliver in the Q4 of this year. I want to tell you about the price first. So there are two models, one is standard size and one is long range. So the long range model is of 60 lakhs 68,000, and the delivery they are telling about is from next month, the Q4 of this year. So we have second model. I'll take you to the second model also, that is long range model. This is Model Y and that is also Model Y. We have two models in the showroom. You can come to the showroom to have a test drive, to look after the showroom from today 2 p.m. onwards. And if we talk about the things, they are telling that the government has still not allowed the FSD things, which the government don't even have norms in Indian government, or in India we don't have that FSD thing, but that will come later. So about the fingerprints and other things, they have given the example like in Apple earlier we also don't have a fingerprint, but later on we do have the fingerprint thing. So Model Y variants, if we talk about, full self-driving option is also available for an additional 6 lakh rupees, and a palette of 6 shades: Sleek Grey, Ultra Red, Quicksilver, Pearl White, Multicoat, Diamond Black and Glacier Blue. These are premium options that are available in the color we do have in Tesla Delhi. So I want to also mention about this key. The first showroom has launched in Mumbai few months back, and now we have the next showroom here in Delhi in Worldmark 3 Aerocity. Viewers, now we are sitting in the long range model of Model Y. So let me tell you first, like only Model Y is available in India in both the showrooms Mumbai and Tesla, and upcoming models are Model X and Model 3. Right now we only have Model Y in two variants, standard range and long range. So the standard range come with 500 kilometer range, and the long range car coming with the 622 kilometer range. And if we let us talk about the price thing. So Model Y RWD comes with 59.8 lakh price that will be available in the September end. I'm talking about the standard range Model Y, and Model Y long range price is 67.89. The car which you are seeing in red, that is long range car. The models are same almost, but the range is only different. So long range has the price 67.89 and the range is 622 kilometers. So it has cool screen, very basic screen, have charging port and tint glass. So you can feel like a cooling effect because of that. And inside you can see the model is very basic. And viewers are also talking about the black and white seats combination they are having. That is very interesting and contrasting. So for EV enthusiasts and for curious onlookers, this is definitely a very cool and very interesting thing to watch. To one side there is a color wall, like 6 swatches for sleek grey color, to premier options like Ultra Red, Quicksilver. Right beside it a panel displayed 2 interior themes, a bright futuristic white and a deep classic black. I noticed visitors debating over which would age better in Delhi's dust heavy environment. So viewers are from like the model has not started delivering, Tesla has not started delivering yet, but viewers are right now even talking about the colors, like in this dusty weather and in this Delhi's weather, which color it is much more suitable for them. Like Delhi do have dust, do have rains and a lot of other things also. let's see like which color will be in more demand. If we talk about Mumbai Center, the Tesla has received a very, very good response. So they have decided to open a second center in Waldmark Aerocity 3, Delhi, which is the name of the center is Tesla Experience Center. The first standard model, let me tell you, it will be delivered in the end of this September, and the long range model they will be delivering in the Q4 of this year. So this is right now they have only two model available, Model Y in standard range and Model Y long range, that is 62 kilometers range they do have. Later they are planning to, after they'll get the good response, they are planning to get the upcoming models. They are planning to come up with our Model X and Model 3. So you can check the car interiors, like they are very basic, very simple. There is a rear camera, there is small lights. The screen is very basic, like a tab. We already do have, EV models like Mahindra, Tata in the market. With Tesla launching its second center showroom in India, what is your hope and what is your take?
Well, see, the EV market in India is pretty small by and large, but it's growing. It is the sunrise segment of the auto industry. And you got Mahindra being a big player, Tata obviously having a lot of models. But they've played in that 17 to 25, 30 lakh sort of range. In the premium segment, we've seen Mercedes, BMW, Volvo, all bringing in electric vehicles. And Tesla has that premiumness, it has that global sort of appeal. And definitely you will see people wanting to get their hands on one in the near future.
If we talk about the price, the standard model is of 57.8 lakh and long range is of 67.89. What is your take on the price thing? Like it's very much high from if you see about the Mahindra and Tata cars, or customers' perception is all about on that?
So yes, I mean it is definitely priced higher than what we wanted it to be. Comparing it to Mahindra and Tata, I think is a little unfair because Mahindra and Tata are making in India. These are direct imports, so they get slammed with the import duty. So if you want to compare it like that, you divide the price by half and you'd get a slightly better understanding on how it actually compares. But Tesla is, I think, when you look at the fact that they've done such a launch in Bombay and Delhi, they're really going for like a premium play. They're not going for a mass market sort of play. And I think the pricing is okay. A lot of inquiries on people wanting to know what to do with the Model Y. I think you can configure it also to what you want to do. So overall, I would say that the pricing is slightly on the higher side than what we wanted, but it's not something that's going to kill the brand. I think you will find takers for it.
And my last question is, what is your take on the interiors? We do have very basic interiors. If you look in the car from the inside and from outside, it looks very stylish. So what is your thought on this?
So when you look at all EVs today, it is all about touchscreens and gadgets and gizmos. And it's also about this whole minimalistic design approach, whether it's the Ioniq 5 from Hyundai, whether you look at the Volvos, you look at VinFast coming into the country, the Vietnamese car company. They all have a very similar minimalistic approach to design. And I think that's a standard that Tesla actually set in the market. They were the pioneers of keeping it simple, integrating everything into one screen. It's a very large touch screen that gives you all your information, all your controls. I personally am not a big fan of it because it can be a little distracting. But by and large, with EVs, you tend to see this gadget and gizmo thing. So that's on par. That's not something they're doing different. They pioneered it. Everybody else is doing the same thing.